So this is a school. Where are you from? Excuse me. What school group? From where?
The school group is actually from Victoria.
From Victoria.
And we're actually Ridge Wilderness is the company.
Oh, cool.
They're from. I'm from the island. I think
You're from Salt Spring. Yeah.
Yeah.
I recognize you. So how many people will a canoe hold?
These ones hold about 10.
Wow.
The big one that's on the trailer will hold about 13, 14.
Oh, there's another one. Okay, cool. They're metal, eh? They're made out of or fiberglass. Fiberglass. Cool. So you got your life jackets. That's good.
Yeah.
This is great. What a good day for paddle. Are you paddling too?
Yeah.
Awesome. Fun, man. So there's going to be busloads of people coming here.
Yeah, we got 2 busloads of kids.
Nice. Couldn't ask for better weather.
5 minutes, but I'm sure they won't mind. You can tell them your story of meeting me.
She takes the best pictures on Salt Spring Island. She just had a display at Art Spring.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Thousands of pictures over the years.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It was amazing. Cool. Beautiful. Great day for it.